Hey everyone, how are you doing? Well, today's video, what I'm going to talk about is not the usual stuff. It's about something which I believe everybody should know. So, yeah, we might be coming across a lot of people who are like madly in love with each other, or you know, if you are not coming across any couple like that, you might as well be one of them. Who knows? Well, jokes apart, I'm going to talk about things. I know that we have to be really loyal to each other when in relationship or when in love, and we should not hide anything. But what I'm going to talk about is some things which are important in a relationship when it's left unsaid. It's left not shared with your spouse, because first of all, not everything is supposed to be shared with your loved ones. I know that everybody will be disagreeing with me, and there are a lot of debatable questions arising because of this. But again, I'm telling you, this is completely my opinion on this, and everybody has their own opinion. So I'm nobody to judge anybody, but I'm just giving out some points which may be helpful for everybody out there. So I'm going to tell you five important things which are important for a relationship, that you keep it to just yourself and don't tell your partner about it. So, number five is going to be, well, your password, of course. This is like the most common thing which we talk about, because I have come across a lot of people in my college or my school, everywhere we go around. It's like girls keep checking, after you log out of your Facebook account, you'll be logging in from your boyfriend's account, and the guy also does the same thing. Or in some cases, the guy makes the Facebook account for the girlfriend, and then she uses that account and she never changes her password. I mean, that's not going to work out, right? And I know you love each other and all, but that is not a safe thing to do. And there have been a lot of cases, I don't want to go into that. We can actually make a whole new video on that, where you know the couples have been in love for like years and years, but still, because of this particular thing, the password problem, I don't know, the relationship has gone haywire, and there have been so many other things happening, illegal stuff, and I don't want to talk about it. But I'm not just talking about Facebook password, it's all about your email accounts or your ATM password, and there are so many other things. So basically, passwords should never be shared. And if at all your partner is he or she wants to see what you are up to and your personal messages, there's nothing wrong in that. There's absolutely nothing wrong in that. What you can do is just make them sit beside you in front of a laptop, and you can actually log into your Facebook or email or whatever networks you have, and just show them whatever they want to see. I think that's a very good idea. What do you think? Well, second thing which you should hide is, guess what? Mm, well, the second thing what you should hide is your salary and your savings. Well, we are normal people, right? We are not some celebrities or billionaires or something like that. So obviously, it's not necessary that our partner might also be on the same level as us. So, suppose take an example where your partner might be in some debt, or he or she is having problem paying his house rent, or you know any problem like that, and then suddenly we get a really nice what do you call incentive, and then we are always talking about, oh my god, my salary, I got this increment on my salary, or uh, some investment you made and you got a lot of profit and you're sharing it, it is not going to go on so well. They are going to get hurt. So I don't think that you should share your personal savings and salary details with your partners. Then third thing that I believe you should not share with your spouse might be that, um, well, let me tell you, put it this way. What happens when you have to deal with somebody you don't like just because they are important to your partner? You get my point, right? You might end up not liking people like your partner's boss, parents, close friends, siblings, etc. etc. So you might still have to deal with it. They will still be coming to your place, they will be visiting you, they will be going out with you to so many places. And how much ever you hate that person, you can't ignore them in your life, because it's important for your partner to it's important for you to be with your partner, so that the balance is right. You obviously can't tell them how much you hate. Oh, you're not going to tell your boyfriend that, you know what, I'm not coming to your party at your house because I hate your mom. You are not going to say that, because obviously it will hurt him. So these kind of things you should never share with your partners, be it boyfriend or girlfriend. It hurts equally. Well, the next point might be sharing or telling your partners what problems you went through the whole day in your workplace, and then you know you know taking out all the frustration of the day on your poor partner. It's really bad. Suppose you had a terrible day, okay, fine, it's okay, we get it, right? But you can't just come home and you know get everything out and use your partner as a stress buster and keep shouting at them and making them feel how bad your day has been, and then making their day bad as well. It's not right, is it? See, whenever we come home, we like to be received with a smile, and we would like to do, don't we like people to receive you like that? So you might as well do the same for them as well, right? So yeah, uh, shouting at them and taking out their frustration and telling everything, how shitty your day was, etc., etc., that should also not be shared. And then the final one, what I believe is never to be shared with not only your partner, not only your partner, but anybody, is your special secret place. Yes, we all need a secret place in our lives, and if you don't have that place, you better get one, because it's really, really important for a person to just take some time off and get away from every person he or she knows, and goes to a place to sit and relax and just think about himself, about his life, about where he is today and how far he has come and what he planned for himself and where he is today. Everything, you need that personal space wherein you think about your life, and it's not something like a safety place wherein you go off whenever you are in a problem. It's not like that. It's like just analyzing what you have achieved in life and all the other stuff, whatever you need to think and talk to yourself. Sometimes we really need to talk to ourselves, right? We don't need anybody else. And this particular place, this secret place, can be anything. It can even be your bathroom or your terrace or some place, some mall you can just go off, or some coffee shop, anything, any beach or whatever. And nobody should be allowed in that particular place. And it's just not about your partner, spouse, husband, boyfriend, you know girlfriend, mom, or anything like that. Nobody should be allowed in that particular space, because you need time for yourself. It's your individual self. So that thing should be hidden from everybody. So, guys, these were some important things that I felt I should share with you guys, and I hope you like my way of taking these talking about these things and my opinions. I hope you guys like it, and if you guys like it, then please thumbs up this video. And I would really like for you to keep telling me if you need me to improve in anything, and I hope I get a lot of motivational and inspirational videos for you people, as well as some usual makeup tutorials and etc. So I really enjoyed filming this video, and I hope you enjoyed listening to me as well. I've been talking a lot today. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.